God damn. Like a goddamn blizzard out here. Oh. You know how long it's been since we've had a decent snow like this? 14 months. And that is 14 months too long. Oh, such a relief to get some decent snow for once. Hey, look at this shit. It's just coming down on us all the time. Oh, it's beautiful. Hey, Caboose, have you seen anything like this before in your life? Oh, I bet you haven't. When we head out to Selkirk, this is going to be you and I every single day. At least in the wintertime. Summers are actually pretty nice, especially in Selkirk. Anyways, I better get back to it. Dear God, it's just coming down nonstop. Oh man, this is a great way to start off the new year with a fucking blizzard. Oh, I love it. I love it.